Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing a date night. Get ready with me. Not going on a date, but I'm going on a date. Feel me? But yeah, I'm going to be doing a date night makeup look. Well, a classic date night makeup look. You know, the one that we always run to. The red lips, nude eyes, whatever. I'm gonna go and do my eyebrows. Well, actually I'm gonna do my eyebrows on camera because I always, like, you're getting ready with me. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Eyebrow thing. First of all, let me moisturize my face because I'm looking. I'm gonna go and moisturize my face. Now I'm gonna go fill in my eyebrows. This is the e.l.f. cream brow gel. I'm just filling it in. I think it's the only color that they have. I'm not sure. That's the only color I saw in the store. It's really dark, but I want to like lighten it up a little because my hair is kind of light. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer and just shape my eyes, shape my eyebrows. Oh, baby, come through. I'm feeling it. Oh, ooh, ooh. I'm gonna leave it a little bit and I'm gonna do my eye and just blend it out because I want it to stay. I want it to stay there. I do not want my eyebrows to move. I'm gonna go in with, I think, this brown from this palette in my crease. Or like a little bit above my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with this color right here from this palette. They're all from Juvia's Place. I'm just gonna link them in the description box below. That's the easiest thing to do. To blend it out, I'm going to use this orange shade from the Juvia's Place Nubia 2 palette. It's called Morocco. Now I'm going to use this Tarte Porcelain Beige concealer. And then I'm gonna not really too much cut my crease. I'm gonna cut it a little, but I'm gonna cut like half. It's like half a cut. I don't know what it's called. The Morphe 35O palette, I'm gonna go in with these two shades right here. I'm gonna go back with that same color from, it's called Kenya, from the Nubian 2 palette. And I'm going to darken it up. I'm going to line the edges of my eye with the NYX eyeliner in black. I wish I had brown eyeliner. I think I would have definitely done it with brown instead. I'm gonna go in with this brown shadow over the black and smoke it out. I'm gonna put some mascara on and then put my lashes on. Actually, I'm gonna let this dry, actually. And then I'm gonna do my face. And then I'm gonna apply my lashes. I think that'll be better for me. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. I'm gonna go color correct my face with this concealer. I'm waiting for the lashes to at least dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it on. But I'm gonna put in, what am I putting in? I'm going to go in with my foundation, which is in the color D4. It's from NARS. I am all backwards today. And I usually put this around my face. And then I go in with the Juvia's Place Velvet Foundation, and I put it in the highest part of my face. I mean, the highest part of my face? Yes. Whew. Child. I'm gonna blend my concealer out. It's been sitting here for a while. yes, I am just going to I forgot what I was going to do. I'm gonna set the rest of my face at this point. Time to contour. I'm gonna put this underneath my eyes to make it a little bit brighter, which is the Sasha Buttercup. I did that. Now I'm gonna go do my under eyes. I'm just probably gonna go in with the same color that I did with my I don't know what I'm gonna go do, honestly. We'll figure this out together. I just never know. I just never know. Okay, so I'm gonna see how this looks with like a cream under eye instead of black. So I'm gonna blush my face. Now I'm gonna go in with this highlighter from Morphe. You know. Mascara time. So I'm gonna go in with this NYX lip pencil in the color Espresso. You know, Ruby Woo, and it's from Rimmel. It's a lipstick and eyeliner. I was reading it and I'm just like, what the fuck? I just be picking up shit. I need to stop. I haven't worn red lipstick in so long. Like, a long ass time. Some powder to mat it out. Gonna go ahead and set my base. This is the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and take my curls out to see what they look like, cause so this is the final look. I'm gonna go get into a dress so it looks a little bit more. Well, I'm back and this is my completed date night look. Bam. I tried a different color with my hair. I'm always, you know, going black, or I'm just always going black. So I tried a different color with my hair, and I haven't worn lipstick in a long time, so I had to apply some. And yeah, this is the completed look. I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. I said that backwards. Subscribe, definitely. That's the first thing I want you guys to do, to subscribe. Like, comment, share. I don't care. You know, show some love. I love you guys. One button period. I'm out.